Welcome. Today we will learn about how to hide or unhide our folders or files, whether it is an image, videos, document or any kind of file. For this, click on the folder or file you want to hide. After clicking on it, click on this view option here. In the view option, simply click on this hide selected items. When you click on it, this message will pop up. Select OK and your selected item will hide. Similarly, you can hide any image, video or any document by simply click on it, then selecting this view option, then clicking on this hide selected item and it will hide. To unhide a folder or any file, simply what you can do, click on this view option, then click on this hidden items. When you click on this or check this hidden item box here, all the hidden items will appear, whether it is any drive or any folder, all those hidden files will appear. Then simply select the files or folder that you want to unhide. If I want to unhide this image here, I'll click on it, then click on this hide selected item. You can see it is checked here, so it is selected. When you will click on it, it will be unchecked and your file will unhide. It will become visible now. Similarly, you can unhide any folder by clicking on it, then click on this hide selected item and it will, this message will pop up. Here it is saying that all those items that are in the folder will become visible. So click OK and it will become visible here. Another option is to hide a folder or to hide a file. Click on the selected item, then right click, select this properties option. Here check this hidden item box, click apply, message will again appear, click OK, then again OK and the selected item will hide. If you want to unhide it, go to this view option, then check this box hidden items, then click on it again to the properties, uncheck this hidden, click apply, click OK, then OK and it will unhide. If you want to hide all the items in a folder or in a drive, simply select all those items by either clicking on select all or by dragging your mouse over the selected items, then click on this view option. In view option, select this hide selected items, click OK and all those files or folders will hide. To unhide it, same procedure. You can also hide all the items by clicking anywhere, then click on properties. In properties, click on this hidden item and click apply, click OK, again OK and all the items will be hidden. To unhide, again right click, then click on properties, unhide this option, click apply, click OK, then OK and all those items will appear. If you are still facing problems in finding your files or folders, click on this view option. After clicking on it, click on this options here, Here click on this change file and folder settings. This pop-up will appear. Click on view, then check on this box here, click apply, then OK, and all the hidden items will appear. This was all about how to hide or unhide a folder or file. Thanks for watching.